Hello everyone, I am Dr. Snehal Dobe Kohe. I am fertility specialist at OVA Fertility and Women Care, which is situated at first floor Vedant Hospital, Ghodbunder Road, Thane. In this video, today we are going to discuss about basic fertility treatment, which is IUI, that is intrauterine insemination. Many a times people ask about what is IUI, is it something very advanced treatment, what exactly we do in this IUI treatment. IUI is intrauterine insemination, which is a basic fertility treatment where processed semen sample is put into the uterus at the time of the ovulation. Here we also call this treatment as medically assisted way of natural conception. This form of treatment is generally used when there are some problems with the ovulation, like we commonly hear about PCOD or hormonal imbalances or mild endometriosis. Sometimes if there is a minor problem with semen parameters and unexplained infertility. Many people ask us before going to the treatment that is there any risk involved in these kind of treatments. So actually there is not much risk involved in these treatments. There can be sometimes side effects of the stimulation only to a hardly 1 or 2% of the people, like hyperstimulation or multiple pregnancies, but these are very rare complications. I would like to take all of you through the steps of IUI process. Now when we decide the IUI process, ideally a couple will undergo a counseling session with the fertility specialist first, where we will assess very basic parameters like the tests like AMH, which is the test of the egg quality. We would assess sonography, where we would check about the uterus and the ovaries and the number of the eggs, like antral follicle count. Also we would like to do semen analysis and if possible tubal testings. So this is very important before any form of treatment to have the complete evaluation, so that we would be able to give a proper plan of treatment. Now when we start IUI process, it is generally from day 2 or day 3 of the menstrual cycle. We start medications of the ovulation. After that we track the ovulation in that cycle by transvaginal ultrasound. We do the sonographies generally on day 8, day 10, day 12, which is something called as folliculometry. When the follicle is ready, then we give one particular injection, which is called as trigger injection, to have timed rupture of this follicle, so that ovulation will be properly tracked. And at that point of time we collect the semen sample that is processed in the andrology laboratory. Means the slow sperms and dead sperms would be separated and discarded. Actively motile sperms are selected, and through the processing their motility is also improvised, and this processed sample will be put inside the uterus, most of the time USG guided, so that we know that where exactly we are putting this actively motile sperms. They are generally put near the tubal opening, and then by this we are providing right sperms at right place at right time, so that fertilization would happen naturally in the tubes. Thus in this kind of treatments we achieve a pregnancy by natural means only. Once the procedure is done, which is hardly takes 5 to 10 minutes of the time, which is not at all painful, we give support medications, that is something called progesterones, which help in the implantation. And 15 days later, generally we check by urine pregnancy test. People generally ask what precautions can be taken during the treatment, after the treatment. So as I was telling you, this is a very basic form of the treatment. You can really continue all your work, daily activities during and after the treatment, but you have to take care not to have too much exertion. After the IUI, generally 15 days we give support medications, which is progesterone hormone, which helps in implantation of the pregnancy. After 15 days of the treatment, we suggest to check a urine pregnancy kit, and if that is showing the positive result, we plan early 3 weeks very well so as to avoid early miscarriages. So this IUI, that is intrauterine insemination, is really a very good treatment where you can achieve a pregnancy by simpler and natural means.